This is Sandro.
Sandro.
He's a freshman, going to be a sophomore.
Hopefully.
Hopefully?
If I'm not failing anything, you know.
He's going to fail! That was Stanley. Okay, Sandro, how does it feel to be the most, known freshman at Yarmouth High School?
I am.
Pretty much. Yeah, I am.
You put this on YouTube, I might have to kick your butt.
I'm going to. Yeah, no, I will. Okay, so, how does it feel?
It feels pretty good. I like to get on. I like being in the spotlight. That's why I act. You know.
Right, but what about that whole video blog, the original?
I know. I need to make another one soon.
I know, but the original, like,
The very original?
I might not be coming back. You do come back. You go every weekend.
I go every weekend, but then I leave again. I mean, it's not like I'm actually going to stay. The drama has to be there. I mean, that's like killing every single character on the OC. It just doesn't work out.
Right.
All right?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you
for your camera.
Yeah, okay.
And your money.
No, yeah. Okay, bye.